Excuse me, is this the check-in area?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
It's my first time flying from this airport.
No problem. I can help you with the process.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport?
Sure, here it is.
Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to London.
Do you have any luggage to check?
Yes, just this suitcase.
Great. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. Excuse me, where is the security check?
It's just over there.
Do I need to remove my laptop?
Yes, please place your laptop in a tray.
Okay, thank you for the information.
You're welcome.
Hello, is this gate A12?
Yes, this is the correct gate.
When does boarding start?
Boarding will begin in about 15 minutes.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Of course.
Thank you. You may board now.
Perfect. I'm excited for this trip.
Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you. Great job. Today, you practiced a real English conversation at the airport. You learned how to check in for a flight, ask for directions, go through security, and board the airplane. Now, practice this question. Where are you flying today? Write your answer in the comments and keep practicing English every day.